you want to do once joining the Elite Nail Tutorial membership is join our private community. This is one of the benefits you get when joining my membership. Also, you get discount codes for your favorite companies like Not Polish, like Secret Nail Fair, Kiara Sky. Yes, there's goodies in here, okay? Then you'll receive the schedule for receiving past tutorials from 2021 at the same time while you unlock the most recent tutorials. All right, then you get a how to contact me, but this is an example of all the types of tutorials that you will be receiving from me, from Marbleish, from creating a recreation of Cardi B's nails. So if I were to start this tutorial, you can see I uploaded pictures, and then we actually get to the good part. Okay, you could press pause, you could forward. The first video is 21 minutes long, the next one is 7 minutes long, and then you press complete and continue. Of course, I give you product lists to every tutorial. Full of juicy stuff here, y'all. Full of juicy stuff. How to apply your Apex on nail biters. We got business editions here, so do not miss out on this. If you have any more questions, want to know more about this part of learning with me, feel free to click the link below and read all about it. I hope to see you there. I hope to see you in our Facebook community page, because this is a step closer to upping your game in the nail industry. See you later.